Hi friends, welcome to my next video that is for reactivity. So as I said you before, we have highly reactive, moderately reactive and least reactive. So it's based on this reactivity that extractions of metals is going to occur. So it is just a small chart, a recap chart. So this will be effective while you're going to examination. Like you can just see this chart and then you can appear for your exams. So it will be like a recap. So when you see for this highly reactive metals, so you have to heat this. So this symbol is given mainly for heating. While you have to heat the element, this symbol is being given. So this symbol is useful when you use to heat the metal. So when you heat the metal, it's called molten ores. So and then it is reduced by electrolytic reduction. What? Electrolytic reduction. Then when you do this electrolytic reduction, you can directly get the pure metal. So this pure metal is 100%. This does not contain any dust or any sand or silt. It does not possess any other extra other than the metal. So that's why we name it as pure metal, which is 100%. Next, for moderately reactive, here when you see, it has two things. It can either exist as carbonates or it can exist as sulfides. So for these two things, you have different things. When you see for carbonates, it already has lots and lots in amount of O2. So when it has lots amount of O2, calcination is enough. Calcination, or otherwise called as decomposition. In other words, you can decompose. That is heating it without the absence or with less amount of O2. As this carbonates already possess some amount of oxygen, it does not require another some more oxygen to further get reduced. So when you just heat it or you just decompose it with less or no amount of oxygen, it is called calcination. Okay, for this carbonates, as it already possesses oxygen, it does not need or it does not require any more oxygen to be further provided. But when you come to sulfite, it has sulfur. It does not possess oxygen. It does not possess oxygen. Instead, it has sulfur. So when you have sulfur, to come to oxides, you need to provide this oxygen. So roasting is you're heating the element in presence of abundance of oxygen. That is called roasting. Children, be very clear with the definition of calcination and roasting. Roasting is heating the element with more presence of oxygen. So both will the final product we get is oxides. So from oxides, further when you reduce with the metal C, with the element or metal C from this oxides, you get free metal. Children, be very clear, this free metal and this pure metal are totally indeed a very different metal compositions. This is pure metal, this is free metal. What? This is free metal. Okay, next when you go to least reactive, again it has two things. It occurs in two things: sulfides and other oxides. Here oxides already possess oxygen and here it no need to do anything else. But for sulfides, you need to do roasting, as I said, and it goes to oxides. Okay, so when you just roast it, it goes to oxides. So from oxides, when you reduce it, that is here reduction happens, right? So like that, when you reduce it, it comes to free metal. Here also free metal, here also free metal. So these two, when it is again electro refined, you get the pure metal. What? Pure metal. This is 100% pure. Okay, that is pure metal. What? Okay, pure metal. So whatever I said before, everything is based on the reactivity series. Everything is based on the reactivity. So for this reactivity, you should know what is the reactivity series. So for this, I have shown. So from potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, all these four are highly reactive or more reactive. Next, these comes are moderately reactive. Then you have in center, you have hydrogen. Okay, this is neutral. What? This is neutral and the rest is less reactive. So the basic concept when you come to see, that is the more reactive the more reactive element displaces the less reactive element. So more reactive element displaces the less reactive metal. That's all, children. That's all this concept in reactivity series. Thank you.